Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be looking at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. Ethereum holders back in profit as Ethereum price aims for rally to $3,000. Large Ethereum investors are back in profits, increasing the chance of a rally towards $3,000, but resistance at the $2,800 level may stop us. Bitcoin ramps up Ethereum buys, pushes holdings towards 5% of supply. Ethereum currently trades around $2,398 and is the highest we have seen Ethereum trade over a long time. The last time Ethereum was trading around $2,396 was on the 31st of January 2026. Look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar. Look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. Look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now. There's still extreme fear gripping the market. How would that affect the price of Ethereum? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen Ethereum rally up by more than 15%. The last 1 month has seen Ethereum pump by 14%. The big one is Ethereum is up 50% over the last 1 year. Good times are slowly returning back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping front, right, and center. We look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar. After it got to all-time highs in August of 2025, it's been down only for Ethereum. So Ethereum trading for as high as $4,955. And since then, it's been a slow dump to gobbling town for Ethereum. I've seen Ethereum get to as low as $1,700, losing around 64% of its value in the process. A lot of market participants are expecting one more low. The general vibe in the cryptocurrency market is that we're not in the bottom of the bear market. If you ask your average market participants, if you ask your influencers, they will tell you that there's one more leg down. But right now, it feels like the bears are getting liquidated. How long will this relief rally last? Only time will tell. But right now, from the $1,700 level, Ethereum is up more than 36%. The next few days and the next few weeks are going to be very, very interesting. Expecting Ethereum at least at some point in time in 2026 to get above $3,500. My base case scenario for Ethereum is that we'll see a rally towards the $4,000 level. And right now, the market, a lot of market participants are going to start FOMOing back at the top. A lot of market participants are going to be expecting higher prices. And Bitmain has led the way. Bitmain, Tom Lee's company, they have been buying Ethereum just like MicroStrategy. They have bought almost 5% of the supply, while others refrain from boosting their Ethereum holding. Bitmain latest purchase gives it ownership of about 4% of the total supply as the company expands its staking strategy. Bitmain Immersion Technology says on Monday that it purchased 71,524 Ethereum over the past week, bringing its total holdings to about 4.87 million tokens. The company says it has roughly 4.04% of the total supply. Their target is to have around 5% of the total supply of Ethereum. And that might be what's pushing the price to higher prices. The bears also getting liquidated might be another factor pushing Ethereum price to higher prices. Ethereum holders are back in profit as we rally towards $3,000. Ethereum rebounds above the $2,300 level, and this might just give us that fuel we need to pump towards $3,000. Data from TradingView shows that Ethereum price rose 20% to $2,330 from its local low of around $1,940, where it got to in March 29. We look at Ethereum's valuation against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Right now, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and guys have been drumming this. I still expect Ethereum to continue outperforming Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. I believe we're going to see a run in the altcoin market, and that run is going to be led by Ethereum. So don't be shocked to see Ethereum pumping aggressively to higher prices. The mantra is always to buy low and always to sell high. The mantra is to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market and sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum could easily pull off a 50% move to a 100% move against Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. What would that mean for Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar? I would expect Ethereum to rally hard against the US dollar. Base case scenario, we'll find some resistance at that $3,000 level. A lot of market participants are paying attention to the $3,000 level. But don't be shocked, guys, if the rally is swift, if the rally is quick, if you see Ethereum before the end of April, maybe the beginning of May, trade for as high as $3,400. The last time I saw Ethereum trading at the $3,400 level was in January of 2026. Since then, Ethereum dumped by around 47%. The next few weeks are going to be very, very important and interesting. From where we're currently trading, for Ethereum to rally back to the $3,400 level, we need to see around a 45% pump to the upside. And I believe When we get there, there's going to be a lot of change in sentiment. I believe when we get there, the vibes in the cryptocurrency market will have improved. Right now, there's still extreme fear gripping most of the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are still scared. They're still expecting lower prices. As I told you guys earlier in the video, they are still expecting one leg down. But we've seen sentiment slowly improving, even though we are still in periods of extreme fear. Last month we had extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday we had extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Right now there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, but there's an improvement in the sentiment in the market. Emotions and sentiments are what drive the market. The more people feel good, the higher prices go. The higher prices go, the more people feel good. And just as a recurring loop happening in the cryptocurrency market. If you buy when there's periods of extreme fear, at some point in time in the future, you get to periods of extreme greed and you have to sell some sweet, sweet profit. Buy low, sell high, that's the mantra. Buy when there's fear and sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum's market cap sits around the $288 billion level. Ethereum has a total supply of 120 million tokens. Ethereum's all-time high sits around $4,953. We got there in August of 2025. Now, if you look at total cryptocurrency market cap, if you look at Ethereum's performance, if you look at Bitcoin's performance, the next few weeks, guys, we're going to see crazy, crazy pumps in the cryptocurrency market. We have two situations that are going to highly play out. It's either we'll get a relief rally, which a lot of market participants are expecting. I've seen a lot of analysis going around the cryptocurrency market. A lot of market participants are expecting us what we did in 2022, where we saw Ethereum first dump to Goblin Town. We saw that relief rally for 3 weeks before we eventually had the bigger decline down to Goblin Town. There's always that possibility. The bears could still be right. You never can say never in the cryptocurrency market. Crazy things can happen. But I'll not be shocked, guys. If the higher we go, the more we see more FOMO in the market. If the higher we go, the more we see more intensive buying as Ethereum pumps to higher prices. I'll be expecting Ethereum maybe at some point in time in 2026 to possibly set new all-time highs. There's always that possibility. Ethereum's market cap, for it to get to a new all-time highs, have to rally above $598 billion. In January of 2026, we saw Ethereum having one little relief rally. Ethereum's market cap got to as high as $400+ billion, but we'll get rejected there. So don't be shocked if in the next few weeks, as we try to rally to higher prices, we see Ethereum getting rejected at that $400 billion level. But I'll be expecting Bitcoin dominance dump. How will that affect the price of Ethereum? Bitcoin dominance dumping means a lot of capital entering the cryptocurrency market is going to be flowing into the altcoin market. And Ethereum, being the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, is going to get some of those flows. And I'll be expecting Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market to also increase. Look at Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market. It currently sits around the 11.45% region. Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market has gone from as low as 7% in April of 2025. Right now, Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market is up 60% over the last 1 year and is up to the 11.37% region. The next few weeks, we're going to be very, very interesting. I'll be expecting all coins to pump, as I said earlier, expecting Ethereum dominance to at least rally past that 15% region. We saw Ethereum dominance getting to as high as 15% in August of 2025. The altcoin market rallies hard. Ethereum joins in the pump. See Ethereum trading at $3,500, maybe $4,000. Don't be shocked to see Ethereum dominance even rallying past the 15% region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still bullish on altcoins in the cryptocurrency market? Are you buying Ethereum right now? Do you believe we can still rally towards $3,000? How high do you think Ethereum will go in 2026? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.